Alright, you guys, so I've got 30 minutes to get myself together. I have a Zoom interview today, and I figured that I would just, do my makeup while I would do a little something for the Zoom meeting, and then I would, talk to you guys while I was getting ready. So, welcome back! I know I've been absent for a while, and then I just popped up yesterday with a video, and a lot of you guys are like, "Lon, where you been?" And all of that. And I was like, oh my gosh, I really haven't spoken to you guys since my vlog, which is a few weeks ago. I just used the Milk Vegan moisturizer. What is this called? Yeah, vegan milk moisturizer. It's a little thicker. I love the packaging though. But so what's been going on? Honestly, I have 30 minutes to get myself together. Honestly, not much. Not much has really been going on. I just felt like I kind of needed a break, and I wasn't happy with YouTube. And doing social media anymore. So I was kind of over that, so to speak. So I had told Jack, I wanted to get a job, and things of that sort. I've been expressing that for a while. I obviously have a part-time job, but he has also been expressing wanting to go back to school. So I was like, you want to go back to school? We looked at what we could get for financial aid, things of that sort. So we were just kind of doing a lot of research, figuring out what he wants to go to school for, where he could go to school around here that wouldn't be super crazy cost wise. What took his degree that he wanted to get, if his credits that he already has will be able to be transferred. It was just a lot of different things that we were just factoring into him going back to school. And so I was like, well, if you go back to school, we kind of did the little estimator thing, and it said that he would need to take out some type of loan, even though being a married couple, we don't make a lot of money. So we were like, yeah, no. He has so much on his credit right now with the car. The house is the main thing, the house and the car. So we were like if we can try not to take out a loan, we won't. You know what I mean? So that is kind of been our thought process a little bit. So I was like, okay, well, I'll start looking for full-time jobs because I loved my part-time job. It gives me the opportunity to film, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then Thursday, Friday I work. So, and it still gives me the opportunity to do makeup on the weekends, which is initially what I wanted. But I'm kind of over that as well, you guys. I'm kind of just, 1 foot in, 1 foot out of the door with the whole makeup artist thing. And I don't feel like there's anything that I could really do per se, it's just one of those things where I feel like I've just done it for 8 years, and I'm just kind of over it. So over the past few weeks, when you guys haven't been seeing me, I've been just applying to jobs, going to interviews, getting Jack's things all together. Jack also went on a vacation with his dad. They went up to the cabin and went on a fishing trip. So there's kind of been a lot that has been going on since I've been gone. And honestly, I also just didn't feel the urge to get up and film. And I even have that green makeup tutorial that I was supposed to get edited, and I just never did that. So it's just pure laziness, along with the I don't want to say like disconnect, but the not wanting to do it. So where I am at now, I'm getting ready for a Zoom interview. I had like a phone interview last week for a job. And then just last night, I also got a call or an email. I got an email from the place that I did an interview with, which I just thought that job was just, done with. And she emailed me and asked if I wanted to come back for a second interview. And I was like, yeah, here's my availability. So I have two job prospects at the moment. And then I have a few jobs for YouTube lined up. So just like everything just picked up all at once. And Jack is really like adamant about me continuing YouTube and just, still doing this. And honestly, I was just like, I don't want to. Like, I don't want to anymore. I don't know. I feel like I've been doing it for so long that it's just, I don't know. I feel like I'm just not where I want to be, but I know in part it's my own fault because I continue to take breaks and stuff. But I don't know. So that's been what's going on, y'all. So, this is the old one. Shit. Okay. So I got these new foundations, the Hello Happy foundation stick from Benefit. They sent these over. I don't even know if there's a shade for me. This is shade 10. It's not bad. It's not terrible. Just a little darker, I think. So I'm using a little bit of shade 11. But shade 11 doesn't even really make that big of a difference. So anyways, so honestly, you guys, I don't really, okay, so, remember Jack and I, we've been trying for a baby the past, 10 months. So this month, June, makes 10 months because we started in August. So, we've been going at it for almost a year, and it's crazy to even think about that because it just doesn't seem like it's been a year already. So we decided that I decided that I was going to just put that off and just not worry about it anymore because at this point I'm just over it. And, I'm also getting a full-time job, so it's going to be a lot harder to stay at home and, because we're going to need the extra income and him going to school and things like that. I personally feel like it's just not in the cards because he doesn't handle stress very well. So I feel like if he is in school, there's no reason why we need to be having a damn kid because, all of our time and energy needs to be focused on school and not a baby. And don't get me wrong, we're not, completely preventing it, but we're not going to be, actively, I was, tracking everything, super, I wouldn't say obsessive, but some would say obsessive about it. So yeah, y'all, BB is going back to school and I can't even believe it. I can believe it, but I can't believe it. So he wants to be a finance manager, and he wants to get his degree in finance as opposed to accounting. And then he's gonna have to work in Chicago probably. You know, if he wants a good high-paying job right out of college, because Chicago is like the closest big city that we have. And then honestly, like, he could move wherever he wants, like, once he gets his degree and, like, you know, a little bit of experience under his belt. So our 5-year plan is definitely in effect. 2 years in school, or however long it takes. Hopefully 2 years if he can go full time. And then 2 years in school, and then 3 years like working in Chicago somewhere, and then going from there. So I'm really excited for BB. I'm excited. And underneath my eyebrows is just a fucking mess right now, and I don't like that. Oh, I have 20 minutes. Okay, I need to quit talking. That's pretty much all I have for you guys. I don't really have any more information or any new developments with me. I just needed to take a break. I'm getting a full-time job. That's like the big thing. It's a full-time job. So YouTube probably won't be as consistent as it was once upon a time. But I definitely like won't forget about you guys. But the full-time job is going to be like a 9 to 5 thing. It's more so if I get the job that I actually want, it's like a 9 to 8 to 4:30 job. So that would be the job that I want, because it's the same exact schedule as Jack, except Jack gets off at 5. So yeah. And then I have these glosses from Bomb Beauty. Her name is Erin. And I have the website, and I will link that down below. But she creates her own little custom lip glosses. So I'm going to wear this one. I forget what color this is, but I'll have it listed down below. But, oh. but it's got like some gold reflects and gold sparkles. It's pretty much a clear gloss with gold flecks, and it smells so good. It smells so good. It smells like vanilla or something like that. Like it smells so good. It's not sticky. It's more so like it's more like a lip balm than a gloss. And then I have this Blink Cosmetics. This is a facial spray, and it's got like rose petals and things like that inside of it. And this smells really good. I've already sprayed this. It smells really, really, really good. It's just gonna give my face a nice refresher. So this is my Zoom meeting makeup. I know it's a lot more extreme than other people would wear, but I've got to take my hair down, put on some earrings and like a nice little shirt or something, and I'm not gonna put on mascara on the bottom. I don't think so. So talk to y'all later. Bye. Oh, that smells so good.